what's up, guys? So, have you heard from the other video? There's a thunderstorm and rain. So, we're gonna go be checking it out because I just heard like 500 thunderstorms. Because I just heard like 500 lightnings. Well, why are my chairs so wet? How are the kids surviving in there? Why is my curtain wet? It's inside. Why is my curtain wet? Why is my curtain wet, man? يوتش شكل ياس انزل ياس اطلع برا ولا لا ياس I'm going out. No, my dad's telling me to go down. Yo, how's it even going? How's it even going here? Yo, no, man, that's crazy. No, bro, that's crazy, man. Shit, yo, I don't even think that was a thunder. I don't even think that was lightning. Yo, no, it's not. We're dodging and weaving. No, seriously. Dog shit. Hell no. Yo, I'm hiding. Dog shit, I'm hiding. I'm hiding in the corner and I cannot escape. Jeffy J, can you get me out of late? Why is it? Bro, the second I step out there, yo, I can like collect a handful. I don't know how. Why's my hand hurting? Peppa Pig, you cannot escape. Yo, should we go down? Should we come down? Shit. Yo, shall we come down? Yo. Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna wipe my phone. Very good. But what's happening with this world, man? Jeffrey James, you cannot escape. ما جبت الكيري بدي دوها. سوا. Jeffrey James, you cannot escape. Yo, I'm about to fall asleep, man. I woke up at 9:30 in the morning, and I'm about to step outside. That was crazy. Bro, it's crazy. So I just ate my steak breath. Oh yes, sir. Seriously, bro. No, bro. Seriously, it's bad. سمعتك سام بعمل فيديو. Yo, I'ma tap you on back later.